Guys, today I'm gonna tell you how we can manage the function of automatic turn it off the heating areas in Induction Hob BOSCH. So, in the first step, you have to turn off your appliance, then turn it on, and in 10 seconds hold the combi button for 4 seconds. Now we are in the user mode, click on the combi button, and you shall see the C1. Let's jump to the C5. By the combi button, there we have the C5 and 00. The 00 means the function is turned off. You can increase the time by the plus and the minus. C04, for example, means the heating areas will turn it off automatically after the 4 minutes. You can set the maximum time of 99 minutes and hold the combi button for 4 seconds to save your settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.